Alright, so let's get this thing unboxed. I wanted to make sure that it was completely sealed so that there's nobody saying, oh, that there's foul play in this video. Just want to make sure that everything is legitimate, because the last thing we need is a video that was augmented in order to facilitate it, so nobody can say that I cheated. Alright, so thank you, Nicole, for packaging and doing this thing supposedly made in the USA. So, got a bunch of junk, some nice packing materials, nothing in there, and looks like we got some hardware here, so I'll take a look at that in a second. Got some, looks like some sealant, owner's manual, 5-year warranty. Then we got some rails here. Yeah, we'll see here, because this is looking like it's got a mount. Doesn't look like it's gonna fit without any kind of modification. Looks like there's gonna have to be some modification done. So let's read the manual and I'll get back to you.